everyone. So we have looked at one of the examples how to create the loan. Now let us take a scenario like a loan already exist in your system, your sandbox. So how we are going to update the loan details, and once we navigate to loan, what are the different sections in the loans we have, like borrower and other details, fee management, document management, and other related entities which are related to loan. How we are going to update existing loans? Let us try to look at the demo using Copado robotic testing. So let me run this particular piece of code. It is going to app launcher and then selecting the loans. Now this loan has been opened. On this particular loan, we have different sections on the left side, like borrowing structure, loan information, pricing, loan team, collateral, covenants. There are so many other fields which are there. So we are verifying the text whether this is the appropriate loan which we need to edit or not. So once the verify statements are done, we are going to update the fields on this particular loan. So we are going to add entity involvement. I think it could not find few elements over here. Add new relationship. From here, add new relationship. This is a drop down. Let me select few lines from here so that it will start testing from there itself. The good part of Copado robotic testing is whenever you are stuck or whenever the step is failed, from there onwards you can run the test case, not from the start. No need to run it from the starting again. And there is an option to select how many lines you wanted to run. It will run those many lines and stop execution. And we can run in regression as well. We can create a big regression suite for this. Yeah, so now it has saved few fields over there. After that, we are going to change the pricing. Let me select this and run it. It is clicking on pricing, and then some pricing related details it is trying to change and save it. And then we are navigating to collateral. We are adding the collateral for this particular loan and filling the fields on this particular. Loan on Facebook. It has selected, but the drop down did not go up. This is only because there was no sync time. Once this box has been selected, the pop-up did not go off. That's the reason it could not able to identify that next element. So let me stop execution and execute from the same line. This is loan 1 Facebook. After that, type text. Ownership percentage. I'm trying to identify what is the issue over here. Just clicking first, it has to click on loan one Facebook. After that, ownership percentage, and then save the collateral. Okay, for time being, let us try to I'm trying to save this record manually. This is trying to save the record. Save collateral. And now we are going to work on fees. It is opening the fee details, and we are verifying few entities on the fees management. Thank you for watching the demo.